Hi guys, today I've got this really easy twisted chignon hairstyle that only takes a few minutes. To start, we've left some hair out to frame the face, and I'm going to divide off a small section of hair from just above the ear to the top of the head. And we're just going to pop this in a small ponytail using a clear elastic band. Gather the rest of the hair at the nape of the neck and secure into a low ponytail. Now I'm going to take some texture spray. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below for you, and I'm going to apply this all over the top of the head and down both ponytails. So taking that ponytail at the bottom, I'm just going to divide it equally in half and twist the sections around one another to create a loose twist. Secure at the end with a clear elastic band. On the last turn of the elastic band, only pull the ends part way through to create a little loop. Now take this twist and we're just going to wrap it clockwise around the base of that ponytail to form a bun. Then just pin to the head using as many bobby pins as needed. Next, we're gently going to pinch and pull at the hair at the crown just for a bit more texture. And then gently pinch and pull on the bun to recreate the same texture again. Now, taking hold of the small ponytail, we're going to do the same thing, so divide it in half, wrap the sections around one another to create a twist, and secure it with an elastic band. Now bring this twist over to the top right hand side of the bun and secure it with a bobby pin. Then push the twist down to the top left side of the bun and secure it with another pin. Next, just wrap any tail ends around the outside of the bun and then just secure it to the head with another bobby pin. Now take some scissors and we're just going to snip that elastic band. Now push the twist towards the head and secure it through the centre on the left hand side to keep it secure. Gently pinch and pull at the twist to give it more volume. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.